It printed off a new registration for your trailer.
Oh, yeah, the RV?
The trailer because the deductibles changed, so there's a new registration for that.
Okay, so that's the RV, okay?
Your vehicles, the deductible hasn't changed,
Okay.
so that's why you didn't get a new registration. Only because the deductibles changed on the trailer. That's why.
Do we know what is the? But the coverage is still the same, right?
Yeah, well, the deductible might have changed the deductibles now. It's 1,000 deductible on the trailer.
Okay.
I think it was 750 before.
Pero tunahan? Ayun, si Mrs. Oh. Uy, napakaganda. Oh, sexy ni Modaya. Ga-sexy Modaya. Alright, miss. Let's roll. How's Patite? Doing great job already. Okay, let's tara. Oh, patunaw na. Right? Tutunaw na. Guys, yan, once again is Lakay Tracker, nagbabalik tayo. Today is Wibis Santo. So ang plano namin, pupunta kami magbabayad muna ng car insurance at campers insurance namin ngayong araw na to. At pagkatapos mag-grocery na ako ng babaunin para sa biyahe. Tapos magsisimba kami. Yon, ang task namin ngayon kasi Wibis Santo naman. Guys, let's go. Go na, bebe. Careful na. Get in. Mommy's doing a great job. Careful.
Yeah.
Careful with the ano, para hindi madumihan yung mga sapatos niya. Tulad ni Apong Nilakay, oh. Mga damit-damitan ng Apong Nilakay. Careful. Alam niyo naman ang Apong Nilakay. Kasimplihan lang. Ayan. Bihira lang pagsuot ng mga ganito kasi lagi naman tayo nasa biyahe. Mrs. oh, kaganda ng aking may bahay. Ay. Pasayahin mo naman ang iyong misis, oh. Taga-alaga ng iyong asawa. Ay, ng mga anak. Taga-alaga ng iyong mga anak, pasayahin mo naman. Kaysa, nakalululemon ng Lakay Tracker. Thank you nga pala sa Lululemon na bigay ni Ate Pau. Lululemon is expensive pala.
I'm not sure if it looks
No? Tama lang ha? Hindi ko kayang bumili ng mga ganyan kasi hindi ako bibili ng ganito. Pirahin ko na lang kung tutusin, pero siyempre regalo ng mga anak ko nung birthday ko eh, nung Pasko eh. Naka-Lululemon, dalawa Lululemon na binigay eh. Yung isa black, ngayon puti naman ito, guys ha.
We're all wearing black.
Okay, did you guys wear seat belts?
Yep.
Okay, you guys are doing great job already. Okay. Nagtutunaw na han, sana hindi na mag-iis na.
Of course.
Bilan mo ko?
Yeah.
Oh, talaga si Mrs. Ang Mrs. ko'y kakaiba.
Stop it.
Guys, Bucky's very weird.
So malapit lang dito yung pa-insuranceanan? Dario? So anong plano natin? Plano namin guys ni Mrs. is quarterly? Quarterly tayo. Para sa ganun magkaroon tayo ng hindi natin kaya yung buong yearly na insurance eh. Magkano? 2.9 yung yearly insurance namin, kasama na yung renewal ng premium namin sa driver's license. Driver's license premium guys dito sa Canada is yearly ang renewal ng driver's license premium. Tapos ganon din ang car insurance. Siyempre dahil nga mayroon kaming RV kasama na yung RV. Magkano RV natin han?
500.
Close please. 500 yung RV namin. So, ang isang taon? Oh, isang taon RV 500. So, bali magre-renew kami. Ngayon, siguro so 800 yung babayaran namin ngayon sa car insurance namin kasi nga yung tuwing renew kasi namin is every quarterly. Last year April, so unang panghuli ito ng 2025, tapos unang buwan bayaran mo na rin ng 2026, unang quarter ng 2026. So bali 400, so 800 something, 800 somewhere down there yung babayaran namin. Saan tayo? Dito na? Okay, malapit lang pala.
Are we going there?
Lapit lang sa bahay yung insurance dito.
Ikaw muna, wala tayong
Punta na tayo. Punta na tayo.
Sige, dito lang tayo kunti.
Aren't we going to church?
No, we will going later. We will going to renew the insurance for first of the car. An RB. What RB? Okay, let's go guys.
Going! Yeah!
Let's go. Renew muna tayo. Renew. Garyok. Pagka magbayad dun sa debit, sa savings. Let's roll. Uy, si Baki oh. Uy, show me yung kakulitan mo. Show me yung kakulitan mo, Baki. Uy. Ikaw na. Are patinel. Nagre-renew na rin siya. Malapit lang sa bahay guys yung ano, kita nyo, di ba? Galing kami doon sa back lane mula dito Garyok Insurance. Ayun auto, business at saka home. Ayan guys, Garyok Insurance. Let's go, baby.
Where do I sit? With the trash can?
Stand up for a while.
I want to sit in the trash can.
What can I help you with?
Excuse me, ma'am. Is this free candy?
Yes, it is
It's,
free.
Okay.
it's Baki talaga oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're
I
welcome.
would like the.
Only grab one. Not too much. That's too much.
I'm saving it. I'm saving it.
They are good
I'm going to
candies.
pay credit card.
For now, why paying credit card?
Hindi tayo magkasya sa limit eh.
Oh, sige. I-transfer na.
643. Card?
Yes.
Sure.
I want the purple one.
So yung sa'yo,
Oh, nasa akin yung RV.
RB muna sa'yo? Okay.
RV at saka yung premium ko.
Premium mo. Tapos sa akin,
Let me know when you're ready.
he's looking for card.
Hello.
The one's an extra.
No worries.
Here, kunin mo na lang yung card ko rito. Nahihirapan ka maghanap.
Yung credit card mo?
Yun ang ano mo, diba? O kaya yung debit card ko. How much?
Hindi magkasya.
Oh, it's not due till April 29th. Do you want to pay it now?
Yes.
Okay.
April 29 is the due date.
Yeah, it's
So
okay.
today is just first.
Yeah, you can pay it now if
Yeah,
you
we can
like.
pay it now.
Okay.
Advance na tayo.
It's the second.
Advance pay. Only one ha.
PC.
Yeah, yan na. I-transfer ko na lang mamaya para hindi tayo Okay. Wala na kaming panahon kaya advance na lang. I have a camera here doing a documentation.
Gotcha.
Okay. Is that okay?
Sure.
Yeah, okay. Guys ha.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Leave it, please.
That's okay.
Too much ka, Clark.
Sit down. Or stand up over there.
Guys, and it's my turn, my coverage.
Okay.
We're just gonna keep it same way like the annual. I mean
Okay, do
quarterly.
you have your license?
Yes.
Or, yeah, because, oh wait, yeah, no, this is all for the same person, so I just need your license.
Sige ba?
Yeah, this is my. Where's yours now?
Yung papel ko hindi ko kinuha eh. Hindi, makukuha naman nila doon.
Dala ko eh.
We don't have the paper, you can find in there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's the receipt for
For her.
that.
Clark, sit down there please.
Ganyan talaga yun.
Look at Ate Clark, Ate Sinel, she's doing a great job. How about you?
Ganyan talaga yun siya.
Kaya mo na. Ayan.
Bakit kami na?
We are now promoting Garyok here guys ha.
Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Your address and phone number still the same?
Yes ma'am, that's the same.
Another payment. Yours is April 17th for your license, and then your time payment. So this one's $822.
It's okay, can we just pay it
Quarterly,
advance?
That is
Yan na
quarterly.
yun, man.
So your payments are here, the date, and then the amount. So your future payments will be $698.
Okay.
This one today, their first one's always higher because it has the fees, and
Okay.
then it has your license as well.
Okay.
Okay.
So that one? Okay.
That one's $822.
All right, sure.
Same card?
Yes, that's same thing.
Sure.
So in the whole year, how much I'm paying?
2.9, I think. 2.8.
Let me look.
Okay.
I'm gonna get the nugget candy.
I don't know if the tap will work. Yeah, you'll have to just insert the card.
Sige, lagay mo.
Too high for tap.
Too high for taps. Kasi card ko to, nahugot lang. Yan. Transfer na lang natin mamaya sa debit.
The insurance for the whole year is $2,795.
So insurance of my my Honda Pilot is 2,000
$740.
the whole year. 2,745 the whole year, guys.
Yeah.
So we're doing a quarterly, so it's 600.
Your next payments are $698. This one was $762, and then your license is $60.
Okay. No worries. We will do it now so that we will not going to come back later.
Yeah, better to do it early than late, because if it's
Yeah.
late, then you get the fees on there too. So
Yeah.
it's better to be early than late for these things.
At least that's smart.
Yeah.
Some of the people does that too, I bet.
Yeah. happens all the time.
It's my daughter is she's doing a great job already. She talk too much.
We are quiet.
What?
You're quiet. You're quiet.
Yo, stop keep eating. That's enough for the ano.
Plus that's free.
The candy ah. Masyado ka sa candy bakit?
Garbage is here.
Nilagay mo lahat ha?
It printed off a new registration for your trailer.
Oh, yeah, the RV?
The trailer, because the deductibles changed, so there's a new registration for that.
Okay. So that's the RV, okay?
Your vehicles, the deductible hasn't changed,
Okay.
so that's why you didn't get a new registration. Only because the deductibles changed on the trailer. That's why.
Do we know what is the? But the coverage is still the same, right?
Yeah, well, the deductible might have changed. The deductibles now, it's 1,000 deductible on the trailer.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
I think it was 750 before.
Yeah.
So they,
Why is it going to rising up? No.
yeah, they did it because I guess to try and lower the premiums a bit. They have a higher deductible.
How much we pay today?
That's
822 is mine.
yeah.
Magkano sa'yo?
the trailer.
600 something.
So 643
643.
plus 822, how much is that?
842, 623, 1,465.
1,465. That's too much.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just because of the car.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We will come back again next year.
Sounds good. Have a
Okay,
nice
we are in Garyok.
Okay.
YouTube. Okay, the K-Tracker. Okay, let's go.
Hindi naman to next year.
Next year ulit.
Quarterly.
Hindi, yung next year magre-renew ulit tayo dito, pero yung quarterly ikaw na pupunta, hindi na ako pwede, hindi na ako pupunta rito. Si Mrs. na. Alright guys ha. Garyok. Malapit lang sa bahay. Uy! Ano ka talaga? Han, sama-samahin mo na.
Excuse me.
Tignan ko yung anuan, yung premium na mga sulat na binibigay sa atin ng ano. Doon na lang sa sakyan. Clark, yeah, in the car. Alright guys, nagbayad kami ng premium. So bali nakagastos kami ngayon ulit ng 1,500. Hindi pwede yung debit ko, so i-online transfer ko na lang yun sa mga tanggal yung debit license niya. Maganda, napalitan niya. Anyway, saglit lang palahan. Kala ko ba matagal tayo. No, we will going to ano magmamalingki na tayo, Han.
Naughty.
Okay, yan. So, bali binayaran namin is 1,465. Yan ang sabi, di ba, Han? 822 tapos yung kay Mrs. na binayaran ko premium. Ayan. 822. Andyan na yung driver's license ko na premium, tapos yung car at yung pilot namin, kasi sa akin nakapangalan itong pilot. Si Mrs. naman, ang binayaran niya is yung kanyang driver's license. Ayan o, driver's license amount at $60. Tapos yung vehicle insurance o yung campers. Yan yung camper namin, 583, so total of 643 yung sa kanya. So yun ang binayaran natin ngayon guys. So tapos na yung RV namin na bayaran sa the whole year. Wala nang problema si Mrs. dito, hindi na siya pupunta. Pero itong insurance namin sa pilot is tuwing quarterly, tuwing quarter pupunta siya dito para magbayad every 4 months. Dati kasi seatbelt. Okay? Belt. Dati kasi ang bayad namin ni Mrs. nung bago kami dito buwan-buwan nagpapadidak kami, pero kapag ka buwan-buwan kasi mas malaki yung interest nila kapag siyempre, di ba, monthly. May interest kasi yan hindi pwedeng walang interest. So kung quarterly, mas maliit yung interest. Pero kung yearly ka magbabayad, bayaran mo the whole year, walang interest yan, hindi sila magpapa-interest. Since iniisip namin din yung maliit na bagay din yung interest, pang grocery na rin, hindi namin kaya yung quarter, yung the whole year, i-quarter na lang. Katulad yan, debit gamitin ko dapat, kaso nga lang si Mrs. Sabi niya hindi kakasya kasi masyadong malaking amount, may limit kasi yung debit namin. Transfer ko na lang mamaya online sa credit card para hindi kami ma-charge at magkaroon ng interest sa credit card. So ito yung mga guys, ito yearly. Sa mga nakasunod sa vlog ko, last year ganun na naman ang ginawa namin. Ito yearly ipinapadala ng yan guys, ipinapadala ng insurance itong driver safety rating scale. Ito kay Mrs. Ilan ka na, Han?
Nayog nang banggitin.
Bakit? Namaynasan ka ba?
Oo.
Minus ka. Okay lang yan kasi nagda-drive tayo na minus. Ilan na minus mo?
Minus 5.
Minus 5 ka?
11 years.
11 years.
Plus 11 na sana.
Plus 11. Meron kasi si Mrs. nangyaring Pero ako, minus 2 ako. Minus 2 ako ngayon guys. Dati ang rating ko guys 10. Plus 10 ako. Tapos ngayon buwaba ako ng plus 8 na minus 2 ako. Gawa nga ng sa mga previous video vlog ko, sa mga nakasunod, may mga huli ako na over speeding, lalo na sa Ontario. Hindi naman ako naglalay sa inyo, nakikita nyo naman yung mga vlog ko na kapag nahuli ako ng pulis, ipinapakita ko sa inyo. Ganun naman kasi talaga, nangyayari kasi talaga. Maswerte ka na kung ikaw ay isang driver na never kang nahuli. Hindi na ako naniniwala doon na ang isang driver never na nahuli o na-involved sa isang accident. Or let's say sabihin natin hindi nahuli at hindi bumaba ito. Siguro meron, siguro, pero hindi lahat. Swerte nila. Yan, katulad nga sabi ko sa inyo, driver tayo, katulad ko. Driver ang number 1 na panghanap buhay ko. Minsan nangyayari yung huli, katulad ko nga na binablog ko lahat yan. Nakikita nyo naman na kapag nahuli ako ng pulis, nahuli talaga ako ng pulis. Hindi ko yan, hindi ako naglalay, kaya nakikita nyo. Kaya ngayon, sinasabi ko sa inyo na kumbaga tumaas yung premium ko ngayon. $5. Tumaas ng $5 dahil na minusan na minusan ako ng 2 points o 2 sa driver safety rating ko, na dati is plus 10 ako last year, ngayon plus 8. Kaya guys, kayo mag-ingat kayo sa pagmamaneho upang sa ganon hindi kayo maminusan. Kaya ngayon mula this month, this year guys, January, March, April na ngayon, April 1, wala pa akong huli. Hindi nyo pa ako nakitang nag-vlog na nahuli ako ng pulis na natikitan. So ibig sabihin, sana throughout the rest of the year hindi ako mahuli, upang sa ganon next year ng pag ibinigay ito, so plus 8 ako ngayon, pag next year magiging plus 9 ako, hopefully. Ayan, malalaman natin. Ayan. Tapos bayaran namin ni Mrs. Responsibilidad natin guys dito sa Canada. Importante mag-ipon tayo pambayad ng mga ganyan kasi may mga sasakyan tayo, campers ganyan. Right ma'am?
Mommy, we're still wet.
Ha?
Mahal masyadong insurance ng pilot.
Pilot naman eh. Civic mas mababa no? Yung Civic namin na kay Paypay mababa insurance.
75 lang yun.
Ilan?
175.
175. So isang buwan. So ang isang buwan namin, isang taon namin 175, 1,700 plus 2, so 1,000. Kulang-kulang 2,000 din ha. Yung Honda Civic 170, di ba, ang isang buwan. So 10 months dihan 1,700
Pagka nirenew namin
plus
annually
350, 2,000 plus din.
Mga 1,900 ganun.
Ha?
Mga 1,900.
Yung
tayong last na gano'n yan.
yung Civic, yung Honda Civic namin na naka-atify na 1,900 lang. Honda Civic yun eh. Siyempre iba naman yung Civic sa SUV eh. Iba yung sedan yun eh. Tapos SUV, tapos pickup. Magkakaiba ang ng mga na yan. Magkakaiba. But anyway, tara, mamalengke tayo. Mamalengke na kami guys ngayon. After namin mamalengke ngayon, magsisimba kami. Mamalengke kami ng babaunin ko na kasi hindi na kami lalabas. Alright, tara.
After
Pamalengke. Saan tayo han? Superstore na lang?
Dito na tayo.
Hindi na masyado malamig han? Okay na. Kaya who is enjoying the time? Of course, Ate Clark. Ate Clark pa, number 1. Baki. Ate Sinila is
Because when not the
she's
Clark,
neutral.
when she makes something, I say stop, she doesn't stop.
Oh, okay.
I say it
How
twice
many
every time.
how many candy did you get in there?
He took 5.
Like, can I have the money
Five?
for ano na?
Yeah, 5.
The,
He took 5.
yeah. Ilagay ko lang dito na.
He took 5. He's such a liar.
Where is it?
Huwag niyong mag-away.
Oh my god.
5 is too much tindik, Baki ah. Masyado ka sa sweet.
It's
Ano ba yan, Clark?
Ano? Nawala? Para saan yung trole?
Yung naka...
Wait, it might be in here.
Is it there?
Yeah, it's here.
Give it to me.
Para saan yan ha?
Para sa church mamaya.
Ah, okay. So magche-church kami, merong abuloy si Mami sa church. So. Okay. Okay. Alright. Mahal, di mas mahal ang insurance ng anohan. Pick up.
Pareho sa pilot.
Oh, hindi mo masabi, wala pa naman tayo pick up eh. Never know, right? You never know, right guys? Entrance. Yun na lang tayo sa restaurant. Meron yata akong ano rito eh. Meron na akong points na pera, kaya pwede ko 10 o 20 grocery.
Punin na lang yun. Kung 10 lang.
Gamitin na. Kung paiipunin, ganun lang din naman. 10 points.
Oh my God, yung pagkain natin naiwan doon.
Oh, tama-tama. Babalikan naman tayo.
No, I already got it.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito may
Good
iba
job
si...
na.
You're doing a great job already. Ate Sinel is doing a great job already.
Good job.
Dito na tayo.
The one in the black.
Dito to.
Yeah. Yung mga food dyan.
Ano? Marami. Yan. Pasok mo dyan sa... I-shoot mo dyan ang nguso.
Dito na lang.
Huwag ka akong bahala para tamang-tama yung likod natin. Okay, let's go. Mamamalengke. Ito, dito na lang.
Sana yung papel ko, nilagyan mo na dito?
Ito, yung pera.
Hindi, yung papel kong bagong ano ko.
Wala pa kang ginagawa. Andito magkakasama.
Where's the coin?
Saan na?
Ito. Sumasama
Ay,
yun.
kailangan yun.
Mom.
Ayan, sinilin pa ako ng...
Oh,
Hold on
di,
lang.
may record ka naman dun ha?
Andito yun ako eh.
Tapon na ba ito? Tapon na namin ito guys. Rating. Guys. Ay, tapon. Tapon. Guys, tara. Malingki. Uy. Nagsinahing tinadagsan ni Bakit eh. Ganun talaga eh, kung ayaw mong magbayad ng car insurance, di mag-bike ka na lang at saka mag-ano na lang tayo. Ang tawag nito, Bakit? Sinel, your brother. O di mag-bus na lang tayo han kung ayaw mo magbayad. Basta tayo.
Close mo na.
Parang ang daming tao. Maraming tao. Bakit? Two chicken. Hey, you know how to tulang nakto. Sa inyo? Meron doon?
Hindi mo naman.
Okay.
Maybe do I get one for later?
Hindi.
Hindi kasi bawal nga ang karninil. We have in the house. Baong ko lang yan. Fish. O tapos salmon. Let's go guys. Bawal ang karni ngayon. Kaya nga eh. Mag-itlog muna tayo. So dalawa. Anin ko to han. Ipipilit ko. Tilapia pele. Doon sa beef na, sa likod mo. Ito guys, Canada Farm. O ano to? Ano ko? Baka. Tama na, baon ko lang sa trabaho. Okay guys. Ito yung ano, bukuli, beef, baka, tapos pork chop, tapos dalawang manok naluto na, tapos tilapia, isa siguro dalawa ang babaunin ko. Bibiyahin na naman tayo sa Sabado guys, dalawang araw lang ako sa bahay kaya enjoy, this is the moment guys. Yes, top it. Can I use $13? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so scan the ticket, Lotto. What is that? 649? Yeah, later. Oh, guys, dali ako ng 92. Since meron naman akong loyalty na $10, so ang binayaran ko lang is 82.69 doon sa naggrocery ko, pang baon. Alright. Here. 30 more right here. You'll see if you're not there.
Oh. Oh, man, over there.
Oh, doon pala. Here, cut. Here. Here. Scan it. What is it says?
Dang it.
Sorry. Appear to be ano. Go, Ray, next time. Let's go. Church na kaya, church. Hurry up. Let's go to church. Today is church day. Uy. Huwag mo nang pindot. Hayaan mo lang muna kasi. Leave it ako nga. Okay. Let's go church. Church. Let's go church.
Yeah. When's at the pie's house?
Church.
When's at the pie's house, Mommy?
Yes.
Alright guys, yan. We are here in sa church na tayo. Alright guys, yan. O dito, pasok mo na rito. Trasan mo na yan. Oh. Hanggat wala pa, dito na kami guys. Baba ako. Sigurado ka? Ayan guys, dito na kami sa simbahan. Si mami mag-parallel parking. Kaya. Parallel parking. Straighten up. Okay. Hindi ka pa konti to.
Pwede na siguro to.
Oo, pwede na. Yan.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, don't forget to pray, okay? Ask Papa God for gift and our health, and say sorry, and thank you for all the blessing. Let's go guys.
Kasi mag-start na yung mass na.
Mas na, tara na. Saan tayo magdadaan? Doon? Doon na, doon. Dito na, Nel. Let's go. Let's go guys, let's go. Careful kasi puro tubig. Ha.
Hindi ka pa naman nakabots.
Okay, come on.
Extra $5. Not actually, I'm gonna give it like probably a 20 or 10.
$5 is blessing that we bless in the sharing in the blood of Christ.
Wow!
What is yeah. Good? Alright guys, inabot din ng Alas 8:30 na. Alas 6 kami pumunta rito. So, inabot ng 2 kalating oras.
Anong mass na ngayon?
First mass yata?
It's the last supper.
Last supper mass? Okay.
Yeah.
But anyway guys, gabi na. Kaya magpapaalam na kami. Balik na lang ulit kami bukas dito. Guys, thank you for watching ha. Once again, siya kay Draco here. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye guys. Have a good night.
Oh, magsimba rin tayo guys pagka may pagkakataon, okay? I love you all guys. Peace out. Careful.
Bye.
So bye-bye Ate Sinel.
Have a good night, everybody.
Have a good night, Sinel.
Good night, guys.
Okay. Guys, love you all. Say bye-bye now. Peace out. Peace out. Lakai Tracker.